Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create your own brand using Canva. You'll see in the left side menu is an option called Brand. Click on it. Here you'll find all your brand kits. To create a new brand kit, click on Add New. In this window you can create a name for your brand. For the sake of this video, I will be naming this brand Renee Tutorial. Here you will find everything you will be needing to create your brand. The first thing you will see is logo. You can upload your business logo here. Just click on Add New and then Upload Logos. You can add as many logos and variations as you'd like. After uploading your videos, it's time to add your brand colors. If you're not sure what colors to choose, you can always check on Google or Pinterest for different color palettes. As you can see here, Canva has automatically chosen colors for me from my logo. If you like these you can just click Keep. Otherwise you can just choose Remove and then choose Add New. I like these so I think I'll keep them. If you click on Add New you'll see that Canva also has some sets of color palettes you can choose from. You can also add more colors to your palette by clicking on Add New. Here you can use the color slider to add a new color, or you can just copy and paste the color code if you have one already. Scrolling further down, you will find fonts. Here you can choose all the different fonts you use in your brand for headings, subheadings, captions, body, etc. One of the impressive features of Canva is how they've categorized their fonts. By scrolling through the category menu, you can see a variety of styles to suit your font needs. Further down, you'll discover your brand voice. This outstanding feature ensures that all your projects consistently reflect your unique style. You can enter the words that convey your style. For instance, I'll include words like friendly, informative, mom, inviting, caring, polite, excited, happy, confident, and trusted. You can choose any words that best represent you and your brand. You can write up to 500 characters. Once you've finished, ensure you save your voice before proceeding. Next, we'll move on to photos. Here, you can add any images you wish to associate with your brand. I'll be including my own photo, as I am the face of my business and brand. Following this, we'll move on to graphics. Just like with photos, add any graphics you intend to use in your branding. Finally, we'll add icons. If any of the mentioned features are not necessary for your brand, you can simply skip them. Having completed your brand kit, I will now demonstrate how to incorporate it into a design. Let's proceed with the design I created for this video. On the left menu, you'll see Brands. Here, you'll find all the brand features you've just created. If you want to incorporate your brand colors into a full page, it's really easy. When you hover over your brand color, you'll see the word Shuffle. By clicking it, the entire page will randomly change to your brand colors. If you're not satisfied, you can click it repeatedly until you're happy with the color scheme. If you want to change the color of individual items in your design, simply click on the specific item and then select the color dot in the top menu. This will open the color menu. As you scroll down, you'll find your brand colors in this menu. Click on the color you wish to apply to a specific item. Once selected, you'll notice a Change All option at the bottom. This option allows you to change all the same colored items in the entire design to the selected color simultaneously. To change all the fonts, follow a similar process. Click on the paragraph you wish to modify, then select the fonts in the top menu. A side menu will appear where you can locate your brand fonts by scrolling down. Choose your desired font, and at the bottom, you'll see the option, Change All. By clicking on it, all other paragraphs with the same font will be updated to the new selection. Let's enhance your design by adding your brand photos and images. Begin by clicking on Elements and selecting your preferred frame. I will be using the round frame. Position the frame in your desired location. Then, drag and drop your photo into the frame. If you need to adjust the photo's position, simply double-click to edit. You can also incorporate photos and graphics creatively without frames. Simply drag your brand image onto your page, adjust it to your preferred size, change its layer, and modify the transparency. With these steps, you'll have a stunning design in no time. You can quickly alter entire pages and all their elements by selecting Design in the top left corner. By clicking on your brand fonts, you can easily apply them across the entire page. Similarly, you can change the color palette, and these adjustments can be applied to all pages with just one click. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you stay for 1 minute, I would like to tell you about an amazing deal. Imagine launching your very own digital empire from the comfort of your home. With our ultimate digital marketing toolkit, you can create your digital product, establish an iconic brand, and design a stunning free website that draws in customers effortlessly. Use the power of social media to dominate your niche, gain thousands of followers, and transform them into loyal customers. Plus, with access to thousands of resources, you'll be well equipped to generate a steady stream of passive income. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale your current efforts, our toolkit is your one-stop solution to achieving digital success. Don't miss out, unlock your potential today. For more information, you can find a link to the social media success blueprint in the description, or you can check your email.